In Australia, prawn sizes are graded in pieces per pound. This is based on the American system that Australia has inherited. The grading metric refers to how many prawns it requires to make 1 pound. The largest grade available is U6. Breaking this down, the annotation means there are under 6 pieces of prawns per pound. A pound is just under half a kilo, meaning a U6 prawn yields under 12 prawns per kilogram. Other common sizes found in Australian wild prawns are U8, under 8 pieces per pound, yielding approximately 17 pieces per kilo. U10, under 10 pieces per pound, yielding approximately 22 pieces to the kilo. 10-15, 10 to 15 pieces per pound, yielding approximately 28 pieces per kilo. 16-20, 16 to 20 pieces per pound, yielding approximately 40 pieces per kilo. 21-30, 21 to 30 pieces per pound, yielding approximately 50 pieces per kilo. And 30-40. This is the size of a typical school prawn. However, school prawns are commonly purchased by the kilogram. It is important to note that grading systems can vary between fisheries and even between suppliers. However, mostly the grading systems of pieces per pound are designed to provide buyers with a clear understanding of the size and quality of the prawns they are purchasing, so they can make an informed decision.